loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Nia Jinsu, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this everyday 5-minute makeup look that I have on right now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this makeup look. Like as always, everything that I use on my face will be in the description box below so you guys can shop. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this makeup. Alright guys, so obviously I'm barefaced right now, and we are going to get started on this makeup look, this 5-minute makeup, clean girl makeup, everyday makeup, all that good stuff. So my skin is moisturized right now, so I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Mattifying Primer. I am oily, so I definitely don't want to be blotting my face all day, so I'm going to use this primer. So I use like this much. And of course, I'm gonna moisturize my lips some more. And I'm just like using some chapstick I got from the beauty supply store. And yeah, we are in the winter months, so you definitely want to keep your lips moisturized. I don't want y'all walking around with chapped lips. I'm sorry, I'm not with it. So to fill in my brows, I'm using, of course, my go-to Benefit Precisely My Brow. When I tell you guys, this just works so perfect with my eyebrows. This is like the only product that I use. Like, listen, when I find something that I like, I will keep buying it over and over and over, and that is what I'm doing obviously with this. And since we do want to give like a clean girl effect, like natural, we are just gonna fill in the sparse areas, and I'm definitely just gonna conceal on the bottom and not the top and the bottom. I used to do that back in the day, and it just looks crazy, especially when you take pictures. So I just conceal at the bottom. For concealer, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Brows are done, and now it's time for foundation. I'm going with my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This gives a really nice skin-like finish, especially, you know, if you want to give like a natural look, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which is something that I really love about it, because usually when I'm wearing foundation, I could feel like my pores are screaming. This one doesn't give that at all, so I definitely suggest that you guys try this foundation out. It's so bomb. And since I'm wearing white, I'm just gonna put it on my hand like so, because I am not trying to mess up this white tank top, because one thing about me, I'll mess up a white tank top. And I'm just putting it like everywhere. I really like this foundation. Like at first I did not like it, I'm not gonna lie to you, but now I really like the finish that it gives me. And I think it's just perfect for like I think it's perfect for like an everyday foundation. Concealer, because we are gonna highlight. So going back in with the first concealer I used for underneath my brows. I've done this technique in like a couple of my other videos, so I used the darker one and just put it like underneath the eyes like so, and underneath the chin. And then I'll go in with the lighter one and put it right on top of the darker one. I look insane. I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna do some bronzer today. Not doing the full contour thing, so I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder, and I'm just gonna add some dimension back to my face. Definitely gotta hit the jawline because I wanna give snatched, and look at how sharp time to bake. So I'm using my Mercier setting powder. This much should be good. I got makeup on my shirt. So we are not doing false lashes for this look. We're gonna be doing mascara. So I like to curl my lashes first with an eyelash curler. This one's from Tweezerman. And the mascara I'm using is, of course, MAC MasStack. Recommend it 1000%. I'm obsessed with it. It is like the best mascara, honestly. Now I'm going in with my Merit Beauty Glow Balm. I just take like a little bit because it will give you like a glow and I don't want to look oily. So I'm just going to take a little bit like so. And I'm just going to put it like on my cheekbones kind of area. Just to give me like a subtle glow, nothing crazy. Because like I said, I don't want to look like oily. So I like to just do that. So I got the Dior blush and we're just gonna see what it gives. I'm hoping that I like it because I've been seeing it like all over. So I was like, I have to see what the hype is about. Ooh, oh my God. I know, I love this. I love it already. I'm a label whore, I'm sorry. Oh my God, look at how cute this is. This is like the cutest blush I've ever seen in my life. It has like the Dior, the signature like Dior like monogram kind of vibe. So I just hope I like it. Let's see what it gives. This right here, I see what the hype is about. I definitely see the hype. So now I'm gonna take these rollers out of my hair. All right, so last step is lips, of course. So I'm going to be doing like a nudish pink lip combo. First, I'm going in with my CHESTNUT lip liner. You guys know I'm obsessed with this lip liner. It is my favorite. So I'm going to be mixing these two lipsticks together. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury first. This is the color Kim KW. For the MAC lipstick, this is their Liptensity lipstick in Well Bred Brown. And I just love like the mix that it just gives me. Like, it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And for lip gloss, I am using my Fenty Beauty Heat. This is Fussy, and obviously I need to get a new one because she's almost done. She's almost out of here. Okay, everything is finished. We are done, but first I gotta set my makeup, of course, using setting spray. I'm going with my Fenty Beauty What It Do setting spray, and I'm just gonna shake it up a bit. And don't mind the makeup on my shirt, you guys. I'm changing my shirt, obviously. And I just have to say, I love how good this smells. This smells amazing. Rihanna, you did your thing. Love you. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little, you know, everyday makeup look. Just mascara. I'm like really into just wearing mascara these days, and if I do wear false lashes, I want them to look as natural as possible. I was one of those girls running around with the big ass mink eyelashes, and now like I'm just like not into that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.